Intranet Gold. Executive summary. Finding specific files on a computer is often difficult because traditional search tools require exact keywords. GPT-4 all solves this problem by creating a private index of your documents. This free software runs entirely on your local computer, which protects your sensitive data from cloud leaks. It understands full sentences and complex questions. The AI locates relevant files based on meaning, and it provides direct links to your documents. Article. Does this ever happen to you? You need some important information for a school project or work assignment. You know that you have a document with the exact answer. Unfortunately, you cannot find the file anywhere on your computer. You try the search bar, but it requires the exact keywords. If you misspell a single word, the system shows 0 results. You waste valuable time scrolling through endless folders. What if there was a way to improve your situation? There is a modern solution to this common problem. An AI tool called GPT-4. All can solve your search frustrations. This program lets you make an index of large collections of documents on your personal computer or local network. It turns your messy pile of files into an organized digital library. Best of all, this tool protects your privacy completely. Most popular AI tools send your data to distant cloud servers. That process risks your private information. GPT-4 all works entirely on your local machine. Your documents never leave your hard drive. The power of natural language search. This tool allows you to ask normal questions. You can use the same kind of questions that you ask using ChatGPT or Claude. You do not need to guess precise keywords anymore. You can type whole sentences into the search bar. You can even type multiple sentences to explain your goal. Chances are it will find the correct document based on your prompt. The system uses advanced software to understand the meaning of your words. It looks for matching concepts rather than matching letters. Once it finds the answer, it gives you a direct link to that document. You just click the link to open your file immediately. The program is free for anyone to download. The AI models that you need are also completely free. You do not need a paid subscription or an expensive graphics card. It brings the power of enterprise search to your desktop. How local AI processes your documents. Traditional search tools only scan the titles of your files. Some tools look at the text, but they only match exact phrases. GPT-4 all uses a process called embedding to read your documents. It transforms words into mathematical data. This data represents the core ideas of your writing. The AI creates a local database on your computer. This database acts as a smart map for your files. When you type a question, the AI converts your question into that same mathematical format. It finds the closest match on your map. This method allows for flexible searching. You can type financial records from last summer, and the AI will find a spreadsheet titled Q3_data.csv. It recognizes that summer and Q3 relate to the same time period. Traditional search tools fail at this task. Privacy in the age of artificial intelligence. Many people worry about data privacy today. Companies often train their public AI models on user data. If you upload a private document to an online AI, you lose control of that data. Hackers could steal it from the cloud. GPT-4 all eliminates this security risk. The software runs locally on your Windows Mac or Linux operating system. It does not require an internet connection to function. You can pull the plug on your router and the search tool will still work perfectly. This privacy feature makes the tool ideal for sensitive work. Students can safely index their personal journals and school records. Professionals can index confidential client contracts without breaking privacy laws. You keep total ownership of your digital footprint. Choosing the right AI model. The GPT-4 all software acts as a framework. It requires an AI model to perform the actual thinking. Fortunately, the application includes a built-in downloader for these models. You can browse a selection of free options with one click. Different models specialize in different tasks. Some models excel at summary work. Other models specialize in coding or creative writing. For document searching, you want a model with a large context window. This feature allows the AI to read longer documents without forgetting the beginning. Most of these models require about 8 gigabytes of system memory. A standard modern laptop can run them smoothly. You can test multiple models to see which one delivers the best results for your files. Setting up your local index. The setup process requires very little technical skill. First, you download the installer from the official website. You run the program and select your preferred AI model. Next, you point the software towards your target folders. You can select your entire desktop or specific project folders. The AI begins the indexing process immediately. This initial scan might take some time if you have thousands of files. Once the scan finishes, the system is ready. You type your question into the chat interface. The AI responds with a written answer gathered from your files. It appends the file links directly below its text response. Enhancing your productivity. This tool changes the way you organize your digital life. People spend hours creating complex folder structures. They sort files by date, project, and type. This organization system breaks down over time. With GPT-4All, folder structures matter much less. You can dump all your files into a single location. The AI acts as your personal librarian. It fetches the exact page you need in seconds. You can use this tool to study for exams. You can index all your class notes and textbooks. Before a test, you can ask the AI to explain a specific concept from your syllabus. It will summarize the lesson using your teacher's exact materials. The future of local data. Technology is moving away from massive cloud data centers. Users want more control over their applications. Local AI tools represent the next step in personal computing. GPT-4 all receives regular updates from an open-source community. Developers constantly improve its speed and accuracy. It already supports many file types, including PDF documents, Word files, and plain text. You do not need to rely on big technology companies to organize your life. You have the tools to build a private search engine today. It unlocks the hidden value in your old documents. You can save money by running AI models on your PC or Mac. Applications and models are available for free. I can help you get up and running. Contact me for a free demo. You need a PC or Mac with 16 gigabytes or more of memory. I have published more than 700 blogs on AI in the past 3 years. If you get value from these blogs, please join my Patreon as a member at the $2, $4, or $8 per month level. https://www.patreon.com/Steve Hovland.